So this is the answer for the Monopoly tutorial, question 1. Okay, so you're being given this table where for quantity 1, you're actually given the price as well as the total cost, and you're being asked to find total revenue. So we know that total revenue can be calculated using price times quantity. And so we have the value of price, which is 40, times quantity, which is 1. So we know that total revenue is 40. So let's fill that in here in our table. Now at quantity 2, you are being asked to find the price. You're given total revenue as well as quantity. So we can simply use our total revenue, 76, divided by 2 in order to get price, which in this case is 38. Okay, next you're also being asked to find the marginal revenue. And marginal revenue formula is equals to the change in total revenue divided by the change in quantity. So in this case, we simply need to use the new total revenue minus O total revenue divided by change in quantity, which is actually 2 minus 1. Okay. New total revenue is 76 minus 40 divided by 1, so therefore our marginal revenue is actually 36. So let's write that in here, 36. Next, we are being asked to find the total cost at quantity 2. For that, we are given the marginal cost as well as the previous total cost. So now we need to use our MC formula, and we know that MC is equals to the change in TC over change in Q, which in this case is our new total cost minus O total cost divided by the change in Q, which is 2 minus 1. We know that's 1. So our new total cost is actually unknown, so let's put X minus the old total cost, which is 18, divided by 1. Now we actually have the value of MC, let's put that in, so MC is 10. So actually if you bring over the 18, we know that X is equals to 10 plus 18 equals to 28. So our new total cost value is actually 28, so put that in our table. At quantity 3, we are given price, we are given quantity, so let's find total revenue. We know that total revenue is actually price times quantity, so that's 36 times 3, and the answer is 108. For marginal revenue, we need to use our marginal revenue formula once again. MR equals to change in TR over change in Q, which in this case is 108 minus 76 over 3 minus 2, which is equals to 32. So write that in there. Now we're being asked to find marginal cost as well. So once again, to find marginal cost, we simply use the change in total cost, which in this case, so MC equals to 45 minus 28 divided by 3 minus 2, which is 17. So put that in our table, 17. Okay. Now for quantity 4, you are being asked to find the price. Again, we're given total revenue, so use total revenue divided by quantity. So it's 128 divided by 4, and we get an answer of 32. To find marginal revenue, once again, you use the change in total revenue, which is, in this case, 128 minus 108 divided by 1, so you get 20. Now total cost, once again you're given marginal cost as well as total cost. the previous total cost. So we simply use 45 plus 20, which gives us 65. Okay, now quantity 5, we are given the price, being asked to find total revenue. So 28 times 5 gives you total revenue. That is 140. Next, you are being asked to find marginal revenue, which is the change in total revenue divided by the change in quantity. So that's 140 minus 128 divided by 1, which is 12. Lastly, we are asked to find the marginal cost. So you use 100 minus 65 divided by 1, which is 35. And that's the answer for your table. So you're being asked, at what output should the firm produce to maximize profit? So looking at the table, we know that profit maximizing condition is MR equals MC. So let's write that down. Part A. So profit maximizing condition. So looking at the table, look for where your MR is equals to your MC. MR is equals to MC, and that would be at quantity 4. So the output at quantity 4 will give you profit maximization. So MR 20 is equals to 20 at quantity 4. Next up, Part B. Part B asks what price should the firm charge. So we know that we have maximum profit at quantity 4. We need to simply refer to price at quantity 4, and so the price the firm should charge is actually 32 at quantity 4. The firm should charge $32. Okay, and next up we are being asked to find the firm's profit or loss. That's part C. So calculate the firm's profit or loss. In order to find profit or loss, we need to use total revenue. Total revenue minus total cost, and we use the values at quantity 4. So total revenue is 128 minus total cost at 4, which is 65. So we use 128 minus 65, which is equals to $63. And this is a profit. Okay. Alright, so that's it for question 1. Please look at the next recording for tutorial question 2.